To save Salsette, we may have to come on the streets. We may even have to knock the doors of the court. The MPA seems to be coming in to capture Salsette.
So, आमगेले जेन्ना हे MPA दाखयला कोर्टाचेर on port limits in all the CZMP plan, it was very shocking. So that's why आमगेलो Salsette सरपंच especially coastal belt आमचो बेतालबाती, बेनावली, कोलवा, वार्का, कार्मोना, कावेलोसीम हे सगळे आमी एकठांय जाल्या आनी आयज आनी आमगेले लोकल MLAकूय आमी सांगलो आहा टू टेक इट सिरियसली बट वी approach Vijay also and we will approach other also but to take up this matter in a very aggressive because see आमी पयला वास्को MPA एक पाट जाले की ना how the people are suffering there is no looking back the same thing happened many years ago when we did save of the river nationalize जाले आमी जाय झगडले पण कांय जावना but issue is what same thing like how people are fighting for double tracking once it is central government and then it is very difficult to fight again national security so as panchayat we are moving very fast we are not wasted our time what we are requesting the government is consider this as a very serious thing because amche coastal belt ata fishermen aha tuje shack chalta and all our water sports all are related to livelihood आणि आमचे Salsettein सगळ्यात चडशे म्हणजे गोंयकार चलयतात so we have requested on that hopefully the chief minister will take up the matter and or 2011 काढलेलो court limits तो आनकोडे कोण घातला that we want to know and why it is come true video ते म्हणटा आता mistake झाली it cannot be a mistake like that it is a big concern for everybody the other issue about the music beyond 10 o'clock काल pollution control board chairman have made a categorical statement it's very shocking तुम्ही जाणा for me I am not in favor of any kind of late early morning music I don't want that dance bar culture but जे आमची काजार आता 10 बॉन म्हळ्यार police are already harassing इतलो लोक कोता but I think that also issue we have raised it hopefully these are very important नाजाल्यार कितें जातले आमचे आनी culture आनी कांय उरोना it is a community it is not an individual for who is doing that it is a celebration so we want that to exempt the weddings and shigmon and zatras all those things which are community the other thing is about also आम्ही सांगला त्या प्रमाणे ते आता maybe it is last 1 month there are different agencies from FDAs pollution control board south gele fire department and GST constantly they are coming every department and going from restaurant to establishment we are not saying no tumhi ya but I don't know what we have done wrong आमचे सावथाचे लोक I think म्हणजे the things are happening somewhere else which are violated you see we are fighting to protect our South Goa the best way what we can पण आमकां दिसता आमकां तर खंय तरी एक इनजस्टीस जाता आमचेर सो ताका लागून आमी रिक्वेस्ट केला बट you don't seal that you give the time you check the permission you check all the licenses but don't just come and seal the premises आमकां जाय ते स्टेक होल्डर आमचे कावेलोसीम कोलवा जावं म्हाका बाणाले जायच्यान फोन केला ताका आमी सरपंच मेळ्ळे आनी वी वॉन्ट टू ऑल्सो मेक शुअर दॅट सिलींग म्हणल्यार कितें हाव यू नो दॅट एक तुका परमिशन ना जाल्यार इट कॅनॉट बी आय एम नॉट सेईंग नॉट टू टेक एक्शन बट गिव देम टायम टू रेक्टिफाय सो दिस इज वॉट वी फील अँड होपफुली आमी आनी डिस्कस केलें वी वॉन्ट थँक आवर dynamic MLA to take up this matter and also the other one also आणि दुसऱ्या पंचायता कडेन मागता आमी let us आमचे जायते पावर काढले तुम्ही जाणे आता आमकां व्हडलेशे पावर दवरले secretaries become the most powerful but that is something it is not in our hand but we will make sure that whatever we can do as a representative आमकां लोकांक निवडून हाडले नाजाल्यार आमकां आनी वालोर ना so we also want to take up those issues and all so once again we hopefully we will at least port limit आहा ते आमकां जाता तितले बेगीन स्क्रॅप करपाचे मागता आनी that this will happen soon
पंचायत राज एक्ट म्हणजे 73rd amendment आहा पळय तितून हे जाला ते कांय बसना बिकॉज ऑल द पावर्स आर गिवन टू सेक्रेटरी सो जेन्ना गव्हर्नमेंटाक कितें करपा जाय आसतलें तेन्ना दे विल डायरेक्ट सेक्रेटरी सो वाय इज द पंचायत सिटिंग हियर पंचायत कित्याक बसल्या सो आमकां न्ही सेच ना तेंगेलो दे आर गव्हर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉई इज द सेक्रेटरी सो दे विल गेट टू एक्झिक्यूट ऑल द वर्क through the secretary they must have brought this so definitely along with the whole panchayat with all the panchayats and all the sarpanches I think we need to attack we need to go to court on this and we have to do something about it नाजाल्यार आमचे फुडले पिळगेक अर्लियर सी आय एम अ 4 टायम पंचायत मेंबर, इट्स अ 4th टर्म ना. आमी जेन्ना स्टार्ट केल्लें तेन्ना म्हयन्याक एक मिटींग जाताली, मागीर एक हाडलें 15 दिसांनी करपाचें, आतां 4 आनी मिटींग करता तें बरें आहा. इवन लायसन्सीस 15 दिसां भितर तूं दिवपा जाल्यार डीम पिरियड जाला. अरे वॉट इज दीस, वॉट इज द हरी, वॉट इज द हरी? When you buy a plot, it takes so much of time to plan. When it comes to the panchayat only, you rush things. Why? To buy a property, to make a land deal, for them it takes 4 to 5 months. To do all the paperwork, go to TCP, it takes 2 to 3 months. And when it comes to panchayat, it's 15 days. That means there is a lot of pressure. And I do not know why it is.
सरपंच कित्याक मेळ्ळो पयले?
एक जाला की गोंयच्या लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान डिमांड केल्लो आहा की 60 दीस CZMPचेर रिएक्ट जावपाक लोकांक दिवचे न्ही. इन सपोर्ट ऑफ दॅट कंटेन्शन these sarpanches have come. They actually support this contention that it is a right stand taken by the leader of opposition. Now, in addition to the fact of that CZMP is sought to be rushed by the government, there are other issues. Major issue is MPA, Marmugao Port Authority. ताची जी मॅन्डेट आहा, डोमेन आहा, ती अप टू बेतूल मेरेन जाला आनी बेतूल सॅटेलायट पोर्ट म्हणतो जो 2011 CZMPन काडिल्लो तो परतो दाखयला 2019 CZMP. हो पोर्ट जावचो ना हाजे क्लियर एश्युरन्स तेन्नाचो मंत्री आनी आतांय मंत्री आहा तो बाब नितीन गडकरीन लोकांक दिल्ले. मुख्यमंत्र्यानूय हें रिपीट केलें की सॅटेलायट पोर्ट हो जावचो ना, पूण तो परतो कसो दाखयलो तितलेंच न्ही, हाजे MPAच्यो जी कितें म्हणटात ताका जी मॅन्डेट आहा ती अप टू द मेन रोड ऑफ कार्मोना दाखयल्ली आहा. म्हळ्यार कितें, कार्मोनाची घरां जर रिपेराक वतलीं फाल्यां जाल्यार MPA परमिशन दितलें, सरपंच न्ही. सो दीस एपियर्स टू बी अ backdoor entry of central agencies to undermine local self-government in Goa in areas where the BJP has failed to win in the Zilla Parishad elections. BJP or BJP's agents have lost Zilla Parishad election in Salcet. There is a clear vote against the BJP in Salcet. हें जालां आनी हाजे खातीर रिएक्शन अशें जावंक शकता हें लोकांक भंय दिसता. आय एम नॉट सेइंग दॅट दीस इज द थिंग, बट देर आर फियर्स, देर इज एप्रिहेन्शन that this could be the reason. नाजाल्यार MPA कार्मोनाच्या रस्त्यार कसो पावलो, दर्यांत ना न्ही, हो एक इश्यू जाता. दुसरो इश्यू असो आहा की ह्या CZMPन जे 60 दीस लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान मागल्या तातूंत जेटीज दाखयल्ल्यो आहा. ह्यो जेटीज उगीच दाखयल्या काय तांच्यो NOC घेवन दाखयल्या, हे पब्लिकाक हें करपाक. वाय डू यू वॉन्ट टू रश टू इट, अशें कितें ताकतीक कित्याक आहा, हो एक इश्यू जालो. दुसरो इश्यू म्हणटा असो आहा की बर्च ट्रेजेडीचो एक्सक्यूज घेवन आज बारीक बिझनेस जे साश्टीन चलतात चड करून कोस्ट लायनार हे सील करपाक सरकार लागला अंडर वेरियस प्रोविजन्स ऑफ द लॉ. वन कूड बी फायर NOC, अदर कूड बी FDA, थर्ड कूड बी युअर वेट्स एंड मेजर्स, आणि कूड बी सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देर. दीज बेसिक कॉम्प्लायन्सीज नॉट बीन देर हें दाखोवन ते सील करतात. आतां बर्च जो आहा, बर्चान जो इन्वॉल्ड आहा ताका एक जन विश्वास बिल म्हणून पास करून ताका डिक्रिमिनलायज केलें ताची सगळीं सेक्शनां. गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट एबल टू आन्सर अवर क्वेश्चन वाय यू आर इन्सिस्टिंग ऑन प्रीडेटिंग द ऑर्डिनन्स टू 2nd of December when you have notified it on 9th and when birch has happened on 6th. Government has not satisfactorily answered this. But using birch to seal businesses of Goan locals in Salcet, small businesses in Salcet along the coastline are owned by Goans, not by non-Goans. Entire North Goa is run by non-Goans. Most of it. Here it is by Goans. So this has to be protected, and the panchayat knows who is a Goan, who is not a Goan. It is not the agency which is a fire agency which comes. So थंय एक 15 दिसाचो एक period दिवपाक जाय by which there should be exemption from all this. 15 दिसांनी ताका हाडून पूण 15 दिसांची नोटीस दी म्हणटा तांकां. तूं सडनली एक बर्ज जालें म्हणून कितें आतां फाल्यां भजी विकता वो कोण 40 पाव विकता ताजे खातीर उजो लागतलो आनी लोक मरतले. ताका सील कित्याक करप तें? Tell me a simple thing. What you are sealing? You are sealing small businesses. You are not sealing a club which is running on a salt pan. It is a fact that the government has answered a question which was put by me, which says that birch was located on a salt pan in a khazan shown on the CZMP, not as khazan. So who did that? There is no investigation into that. That was done by somebody. No? So who did it? In the CZMP 2011, 8 lakh square meters along the Baga River, which is original khazan, has not been shown as khazan, and that has been converted for commercial purposes. ते करा मरे सील तुम्ही. हे गोंयकारांक सील करपाक खंय आयल्या. So I have tried to call the chief minister. He has not replied to me. I do hope he calls me back. We will be making a detailed memorandum to him on this. Certain things, if he does not respond, we will have to escalate this to a people's agitation to save Sunset, because MPA seems to be coming in to capture Sunset. So to save Sunset, we may have to come on the streets. This is one thing. Second, we may even have to knock the doors of the court. We will seek legal advice and do the necessary.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.